Hi everyone, let's study the three forms of verbs. The main verb, the infinitive form, the past tense form, and the past participle. Many users of English are not sure when to use what particular form. So let's study them systematically. You already know that every verb has three forms. We call the first one the main infinitive form, like go, then the past tense form went, and the past participle gone. Now, when to use these three forms of verbs, that's very important. So, usually in a sentence, when you have do, does, or did, we always take the main verb. For example, he didn't go to his office yesterday. He doesn't go to his school every day. So with do, does, and did, we take the main verb. We use the second form of the verb when we are talking about a finished action, and we usually have either a clearly given time, explicitly given time, or the time is understood, a past time. So for example, he went to his house at 5 p.m. yesterday. So went is for a finished past action, and when you convert it into the negative, then you require did. For example, he didn't go to his house at 5 p.m. So because of did, we have to take go. But in affirmative sentences, we take the second form of the verb, the past simple form of the verb went. And the third form of the verb is usually used with has, have, or had. So after these three, we always have the third form of the verb. For example, he has gone to his office. He has went is not possible. He has gone. He had written a letter before she came. So after had, we require the third form. He writes every day, but he wrote a letter yesterday. He didn't write an essay yesterday. He has written many essays. He speaks English generally. They speak English generally. They don't speak Japanese. He doesn't speak Japanese. He spoke French yesterday. He didn't speak German yesterday. He spoke French yesterday. He has spoken many things. He plays every day. He played yesterday. He didn't play yesterday. He has played many games in his life. So I hope it is clear. The main form, the main verb, the first form, the infinitive form, the past tense form, and the past participle. The simple past tense or past simple form is used only in the affirmative sentences with a finished past time. Either it is explicitly given or it is implied.